Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got this from Walmart, and as you can see, it's a little damaged. It's actually not damaged from delivery. I actually got it in the store. All the packages that I got there were damaged like this. Actually, some of them had the scissors taken out of. So everything's all the packages were damaged like this. I guess I don't know if they were trying to steal them. They did steal the scissors from it. So it's a Camillus Frontier pack. It comes with the compact scissors, hatchet knife, and scissors sharpener. A 12-inch hatchet with I guess this type of sheath. A molded sheath, 8-inch flexible, fixed blade knife, and a fire starter with whistle. So this all comes in, I believe it was about $22 total at Walmart here in California, and it tells you everything it has: the wrench, stainless steel blade for the axe, another wrench here, wire cutter, glass filled Nile handle, lanyard hold. It tells you everything it has here. Excuse me. The blade, stainless steel blade, non-slip grip, fire starter here, the whistle. It tells you everything it has here for it. It also tells you all the places you need to look at for Twitter, stuff like that, blah blah blah. Where is it made? Let's see if it tells you. The model number is 1969-7. Made in China. So yeah. So they make quality knives since 1876. So yeah, this is at Walmart. You see all the packages were damaged. All of them that I saw, all of them were damaged. So this is the best one I could find. Like I said, most of them had parts that were stolen from them, mainly the scissors. I don't know why they would just like to steal all the scissors from them. So let's start getting some of the stuff out. Let's see if I could just start ripping the box apart. I'm not going to be turning this stuff. I like them, so I like turning stuff. That's my thing. So let's see if we can start. Let's see, this one's already cracked open. So let's take this guy out first. Let's take out the knife. So let's pull out the knife. See how it looks. Okay. Oh, let's see. Be careful, I'll cut myself. There we go. Knife is really light. That's pretty sharp. I like it. Yeah. Well, here's this side's dull, and this is pretty sharp. I can't say really dull. Ooh, the rain's coming down pretty nice. It's pretty sharp on this side. It's not that sharp on this side. One side is sharper than the other. But it's pretty nice. I like the handle. Pretty strong grip on it. You can feel it. There, yeah. It's pretty good. I like it. I like the grip, how it feels. Little hole right here. I guess you could put the fire start in here. So yeah, because it feels weird when you have it here. It feels really weird right there. But I guess that's what it's for. So you need to have it in there. So let's check out. Yeah, it's gotta be it. The rain is coming down pretty hard. I don't know if you guys can hear it in the background. It's coming down pretty hard. Where are my scissors? Let's get the scissors out here. Makes it a lot faster, a lot easier sometimes to look up the knives. Let's check that out. So here's the fire starter. So let's see if it comes in here. Should go in. Yeah, there it goes. Perfect. Oh yeah, yeah, feels better. Obviously, duh, right? So let's see how the whistle sounds. Let's pull this guy out. Yeah, no. That was okay. It's not the strong whistle, but that's what you get, you know. What is it? Put this in. There you go. But yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. $20 and you get all this stuff. I mean, it's not, you know, you get what you pay for. Obviously, getting it from Walmart. So honestly, my main thing was scissors, and I wanted a hatchet for a while. I have one. I gotta show you guys, but it's too big to put on this setup that I have here at home. So it has to be like an outdoor or a different type of setup on the floor or something, because the setup that I have is too small here, and the hatchet that I have, it's an old school hatchet, so it's set up. I need a setup for. So obviously this goes for this guy here. So yeah, it's nice. Here's the brand. You put on your when you go out. That's nice. I don't know how long this is gonna last. Put on your belt. That holds pretty good, I would say. So overall, it's holding pretty good. So let's cut this guy out of here. The big guy. I always give 10% to the big guy. You know, whoever knows that joke, you know who I'm talking about. I should cut the other way around, but I could break the whole thing out. And it will break. Cut the top off. So let's see the axe. Ooh, nice. Actually, it's pretty nice. It's pretty light. Pretty light. Logo's here again. Logo's right there. New safety glasses. Yeah. And there's obviously the wrenches that you can put there. The wire cutter. It's pretty light. I don't know how much this is gonna handle because of how light it is. Here's the cover. Here are the instructions. Yeah, fire starter, whistle. Obviously, you know where we put the instructions. We put them in the trash. Yeah. So here's the cover for it. Put it in here. Now we cover this guy up. Make sure my kids don't get to it. That's pretty nice. It's really light. I don't know how it's gonna handle with obviously when you hit something with it and the vibrations that goes back on it. So I'm gonna try it out. We're planning to go hiking. Obviously now probably until next week, cause with the kids in the mud and everything else, house is gonna be a mess if we decide to go hiking. And the wife doesn't like going hiking after it rains. I love going hiking after it rains, but she doesn't, because obviously we come back and then we mess up the house with all the dirt and everything, or the apartment obviously, not the house. So unfortunately, probably gonna be a couple of days before we go out so we can get this up. And here's the rock. No, not the one with the eyebrow. This is obviously to sharpen up the knife and the hatchet if it ever gets dulled up. So I just want to put the main thing I really wanted out of all them. Why I actually paid the extra the $20. And I know this one you can find anywhere, but it gave me the hatchet which I really wanted, and I wanted to buy one. And I wanted a hatchet anyways, but when I saw the scissors, this is the main thing why I really wanted it. And obviously for EDC, I wanted the scissors. I wanted to carry a small pair of scissors. And obviously, I believe I have the other video where I have the scissors that go into that pen. That looks like more like a pen thing. So this is scissors I liked, and I believe you press on them. Oh yeah, you take this guy off, and there you go. You have your pair of scissors. So you pull this guy out, and then you have your pair of scissors right there. And when you use them, you close it. You close it all the way, and then you put your pin back in there, and then that's where you close it. You push your pin inside. Oops. There you go. And there you go. It's locked up. So This you can throw in your backpack, your EDC carry, and that's your protector for this guy. Oops, wrong way. It's my other knife. Sorry. You protect it from this guy, but it goes to trash. I really like this stuff. Like I said, it was under $25 at Walmart. Great deal. For me, I liked it. If you guys get a chance to go to Walmart, like I said, all of the things that were in the containers or whatever you want to call them, they were all trashed up. Some of the scissors were stolen, which, like I said, I don't get why people are just. And that's why you got all this stuff now locked behind the glass containers. People are just stealing crap. I don't get why they like to just steal things. I don't know why people are acting like that. They could just buy stuff. You know, stuff like this is cheap, 20 bucks, and they decide to steal scissors, and that's why everything's locked up and waste other people's time. But if you can, just go to Walmart. If you still have it, make sure check for the scissors though. Check for the small stuff because they probably are stolen. So look for everything. Make sure everything's there before you buy them. So if you like it, check them out. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys very much for watching. Thank you.